right, let's just talk about our coins a little bit today. First coin is a what? Get ready. Yes, a quarter. And a quarter is worth how much? Yes, 25 cents. Good. This coin is a, get ready. Yes, dime. And a dime is worth how much? Yes, 10 cents. This coin is a, get ready. Yes, and a nickel is worth how much? Yes, 5 cents. This coin is a penny. Yes, and it is worth how much? Get ready. Yes, 1 cent. Good. Let's go ahead and count these coins together. Get ready. 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.10, $1.15, $1.16. Please go ahead and write the dollars and cents on these lines below or on a piece of paper.